This iPhone 17 Pro Max is not turning on. There's no physical damage, no water damage according to the customer, and what they said was it was working last night, they did not charge it overnight, it likely drained, and today morning it's not turning on. They obviously tried charging this phone and they tried doing everything they can without any response. We have a similar video here on YouTube with similar symptoms, just did not charge overnight, and the next day it was not turning on. So I'm not sure if this is a known issue with Apple products or iPhone 17 Pro Maxes, but the second one in the last month, I don't know, not good. So what I'm gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and connect a USB-C tester. This tells me how many amps it's drawing. I've already done this beforehand, and right here, if you can tell, is drawing 0.2, 0.1, it's fluctuating and nothing is showing on display. I'm holding the power button, nothing at all. Here is it again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attempt to do a hard reset, which is volume up, volume down, hold the power button, and I can read you, it's at 0.04 amps, steady draw. I'm thinking what I'm just doing right now is making it constant. Now it's at 0.4, 0.03, nothing. I told the customer we'll diagnose it for you. If we have to open it, it will void your warranty. She was okay with it. We told her, we gave her all the information. She just wants it done ASAP. And she wants all her data on the phone, so she doesn't want us, or she doesn't want to go through Apple and give them a whole phone and they can give her a phone replacement. She's not interested in that method. We're gonna go ahead and open this guy up and see what happens. Let's first start off by removing these two bottom pentalobe screws. Put it on the heating mat. Okay, we got the screen popped off. Just gonna remove the screen from its housing. We had a video posted about a month ago or a little bit more about something very similar to this, and all we did was unplug the battery and replug it, which kind of forms as like a power reset on the device. This is what I'm hoping for in this video, so we'll find out in a few moments. So here's the screen popped out of its location, and what I want to do here is just unplug the battery and replug it. So let's take a look. First, let's remove the screen. Okay, popping off the screen cable, and then let's pop off the proximity sensor. Okay, the screen has been removed officially. This right here is the battery connector. What I'm really hoping for, just like in the last video, if you guys are interested, the link is in the description. In the last video, all we did was just pop or unplug the battery and replug it. Let's take a look and see if this works again. Will we be successful? Okay, battery has been unplugged. I'm gonna go ahead and just drain the phone. Any charge in it will drain it. We've just drained the phone. And now we're gonna reconnect the screen and proximity sensor and see if that works. Pretty certain this is gonna resolve the issue. Don't know why, I feel it in my bones. Before I close it up, let's throw it back on the charger with the amp reader and see what it reads now. This is probably a known issue with iPhone 17 Pro Maxes, or unknown issue. Let's take a look. Oh, it worked. That's crazy. And now look at the amp draw, 1.49. That's crazy. This is the second iPhone 17 Pro Max that we've seen that does not work or does not charge and is just stuck. Yep, and it's at 1% currently. 1% charged. Wow, let's close this guy up. All right, so it looks like we got the job done successfully. This is the second time that we received an iPhone 17 Pro Max with similar symptoms. So if you're watching this video, if your phone does not charge overnight, and it drains and you wake up the next day in the morning and it's not taking the charge, it's not turning on, you could be in the same boat as us. Again, the second one, if you want to watch the first video, the link is down in the description below. I'm not sure what's causing this issue. Maybe a software update can resolve this. I'm not too certain. If you have an idea why this is happening, let us know down below. If this video has helped you or you think somebody may benefit from this video, make sure you send them this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. I feel it in my bones.